If you're considering Sage Intacct for your accounting needs, there are a few things you need to know before making the leap. Compared to other accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, Sage Intacct is powerful, but it's not necessarily for everyone. Let's break down what you should expect. First off, Sage Intacct excels in financial management. Unlike QuickBooks, which is great for small businesses, Sage Intacct is designed for growing companies that need more robust features. The software is built for scalability, handling complex financial tasks like multi-entity consolidation and complex reporting without a hitch. If your company is planning to expand, this could be a key advantage. Next thing to know, the user interface. While Sage Intacct is powerful, the learning curve can be steep compared to simpler software like Xero or QuickBooks Online. Expect to spend time training your team to fully understand how the system works. But once you're over that hurdle, the interface is intuitive and efficient for managing large amounts of financial data. The third thing to consider is its integration capabilities. Sage Intacct integrates well with other software, which is great if you're already using tools like Salesforce or Bill.com. Many competitors fall short here, but Sage Intacct's open API means you can connect it to a wide variety of applications, saving you time and effort in manual data entry. The fourth thing to mention is the cost. Sage Intacct isn't the cheapest option, especially when compared to cloud-based solutions like QuickBooks or Xero. But for companies that need the kind of robust functionality Sage Intacct offers, it can justify the higher price. It's an investment in efficiency, but be sure your business is ready to take on that expense. Next thing to be aware of is its reporting capabilities. Sage Intacct's reporting is highly customizable, allowing you to create tailored reports that reflect your business needs. This is a standout feature, especially when compared to QuickBooks, which is more limited in this area. For finance teams that require granular insights, this is a game changer. The sixth thing to consider is automation. Sage Intacct offers automation features like recurring billing and workflow automation, which can save a lot of time. Many competitors also have automation, but Sage Intacct takes it a step further with more advanced features for larger organizations, freeing up valuable time for your finance team. Seventh thing, multi-currency support. If your business operates in multiple countries or currencies, Sage Intacct is a great option. It offers robust multi-currency features, so you can manage international transactions without needing additional software. For companies dealing with global clients, this can be a major advantage over competitors that only offer basic currency management. The eighth thing is mobile access. Sage Intacct allows you to access your financial data from anywhere, which is becoming increasingly important in today's remote work environment. While software like QuickBooks offers mobile apps, Sage Intacct's mobile functionality is more comprehensive, allowing for a smoother user experience on the go. The ninth thing is its customer support. Sage Intacct has a reputation for good customer service, but some users report longer response times compared to competitors like Xero. If you need immediate help, be prepared to wait a little longer than you might with other software. However, once you get support, it's often very helpful and knowledgeable. The 10th thing is security. Sage Intacct takes data security seriously, with multiple layers of protection to keep your financial data safe. This level of security is comparable to other high-end accounting software, making it a solid choice for businesses that handle sensitive financial information. 11th thing to think about is the customization options. Sage Intacct provides a lot of flexibility in customizing the software to suit your specific business needs. Whether it's setting up new workflows or adding custom fields, you have control over how the software is configured. Competitors like QuickBooks don't offer as much in the way of deep customization, so this is a big plus. Lastly, consider the future. Sage Intacct is built for long-term scalability. While it may take some time to learn and the price can be steep, it's designed to grow with your business. If you're a small business today, but planning to expand, this software can be a great investment. Sage Intacct is a solid choice for growing companies that need powerful accounting features and scalability. But if you're looking for something simpler or more cost-effective, there are other options.